Hi friends, welcome to Excel Certificate. This session will equip you with the fundamental knowledge techniques to make most out of Excel. Learning Excel doesn't mean you have to memorize all formulas, menus, functions, etc. It means you need to be able to tell which function or formula is appropriate to make a given task easier. Today we will be learning the application of three different logical functions in Excel, namely AND, OR and IF. So the AND function, OR function and IF function that we will be seeing, along with Sumproduct, which is a math function. These three are logical functions. So let's get started on this exciting journey of mastering Excel and improve our productivity and efficiency. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to comment and I will be here to assist you. So let's dive in. We shall consider a situation in which we need to create a formula to determine whether commission and bonus is payable to each of the salesperson given below. If yes, how much is the commission and bonus is payable to each one of them, and in total how much commission and bonus is payable. This is a question we need to answer. So we need to create the formula using AND, OR and IF function. For total we can use the Sumproduct function. Let us understand the given situation. Here some target sales, target accounts and commission percentage and bonus target plus bonus percentage is given. Here commission is payable only if target sales are target accounts. Even if one of them is achieved, commission is payable. However, bonus is payable only if both sales and target accounts are achieved. Right? Target accounts here means number of accounts, number of customers. There is a target for number of customers and sales. So for bonus it is 15,000. And for commission 12,500 is enough. If your sales reach 12,500, you will be paid commission on the entire sales you made. And similarly, if you reach the 15,000, you will be paid a bonus on the entire sales you made. Similarly, if you reach the target accounts of 5, you will be paid a commission. But for bonus, you need to achieve both this 15,000 limit and this 5 target accounts, so that you will be paid a bonus. Right? Here are the salesperson and what sales they have made is given here, and what number of accounts they have achieved is given here. We will have to work out a formula whether commission is payable or not, and if yes, how much is the commission payable to each one of them. Similarly, we have to calculate the bonus. Here we need OR condition because it is the sales target or the accounts, either one. If you achieve, you will get a commission. Here you need a AND function because you need to satisfy two conditions there, two targets you need to achieve to collect a bonus. Fine. This OR function and AND function, we will use it along with IF function. So we need to use IF function and OR function together to frame this formula. So equal to IF bracket open, OR bracket open. First logical test would be for total sales. So the total sales should reach the target sales or it should exceed the target sales. So this is the total sales achieved by Amelia Johnson. This sales should be greater than or equal to the target sales of 12,500 to get a commission. So for all salesperson, this is the target sales. So I am locking this cell 12,500, that is D34. I am logging it with absolute reference. So there will be a dollar sign before D and after D. That means the D34 cell will be locked for all salesperson. So we will move on to the next function. Next logical test would be for accounts. Number of accounts achieved by Amelia Johnson should reach the target account of 5 or more to get a commission. So we will be selecting this one. It should be greater than or equal to the target of 5. So I am logging that also. It is common for all salesperson. So I am logging it. So we have inserted two logical tests. With one if function, you cannot have two logical functions. You have ifs and nested if function to have. Those are for mutually exclusive. For non-mutually exclusive, this is the only option. This is the logical test we have made. This logical test is true. Then the value would be this total sales into the commission percentage of 2.5, I'm locking that also because commission percentage is same for all. So I'm locking that 2.5%. So this is a formula you are supposed to create for calculating commission. This is a commission Amelia Johnson would get. Similarly, this one, similarly this one, next one, you can just drag it down so that, and the last one wouldn't get any commission because he hasn't achieved the target sales, he hasn't achieved the accounts as well. For bonus, we need to create similar formula but using AND. The salesperson should satisfy both the conditions to get a bonus. So if and the first logic is same, total sales should exceed or equal to this target sales of 15,000. For bonus, it is 15,000. So I am locking this 15,000 because for all salesperson, 15,000 is the target sales for bonus. Next test is for accounts. So accounts should exceed or it should be equal to this 5. This condition should also be satisfied for getting bonus. I am locking 5 also. These two conditions are made, then we can close this. What is the value? The value is total sales into 20% bonus. 20% also I am locking with absolute reference so that for all salesperson it is 20%, locked at 20%. So first person not achieve 15,000, so he will not get bonus. Even though his accounts is more than 5, his total sales doesn't exceed or doesn't equal 15,000, so he won't get any bonus. The next one, he reached 17,500 in sales and also achieved 5 in accounts, so he will get a bonus. The next one also will get a bonus. They have not achieved either sales or accounts, so they won't get anything. These false can be replaced with a blank one so that we need not see this false. We can change it to blank by inserting a double quotation so that where bonus is applicable you will get a figure, the rest will be blank. So the usage of or and AND we have seen now, and we can total it where the sum product comes in. We can total the commission and we can total the bonus. That is a easy function of sum is available, but still we can use sum product and we can verify whether what we have done in commission and bonus is right or wrong. So for that we have sum product function. So in order to check whether this commission and bonus we have calculated is correct or not, we can use sum product function so that if both the total are same, then we can conclude that the commission and bonus are right. There is a tricky thing in this sum product. We cannot use the sum product function alone. We have to use another function called bit or. Another function called bit or. Why this bit or function is that additional feature of or function, they have introduced a bit or function. See how it works and then you will understand why bit or is required there. So the calculation will be like this: sum product. So within that sum product you introduce this bit or function. In that the first condition is that this total sales whether it exceeds or equals the target sales of 12,500. This is the first one, right? Then the next number, close this, and the next number would be accounts, whether it satisfies the target accounts of 5. So greater than or equal to 5. So within bit or we have inserted these two conditions. We can close this bit or and come to sum product. In sum product you just select the sales alone. Close this bit or and come to sum product, where you can select this sales and then close the sum product and then multiply it with commission percentage. You will get the total and it will exactly match the commission what we have calculated. The sum product conveys that what we have calculated is correct, and the total commission we can check by adding these four numbers. It will be exactly 1444. We are using the sum product function not just to total but to check the conditions and also total the commission wherever applicable. Similarly, we can check for bonus also. For bonus, we need not use this bit or function, because only if both the conditions are satisfied, you have a bonus. Therefore, you need not use this bit or function. Sum product itself is enough. So equal to sum product. The first array would be this one, total sales, whether it exceeds or equals the 15,000 target. Then the next condition would be for accounts multiplied by accounts greater than or equal to 5. Then multiply it with sales. But if you multiply like this, you won't get anything, because this will result in true or false. We need to convert it into numbers. In order to convert it into numbers, we need to add double minus. Double minus, if you add in front, this will be converted into numbers. Then if you multiply it with sales where bonus is applicable alone will sum up, and then we can multiply it with this 20%. You will get the exact total of 3,500 here. So this is how we have to use sum product. And here we are using another function called bit r in order to convert this true and false to numbers. You cannot use R function, it won't work, because R function is only for single cell reference and not for array. For arrays, you need to use bit R function only. If it is not an array, you can use R function also. But here we have an array to calculate, so we need this bit R function to convert this true and false to numbers, and then we can operate it with sum product. Thank you.